Imagine walking into a pizza shop and buying one tiny piece of the business. Not the pizza, the actual business itself. Sounds weird, right? But that's basically what a share is. Meet Jake. Jake keeps hearing people say things like, "I invested in stocks," "I bought shares," and "the market went up today." But he has no idea what any of that actually means. So one day, Jake asks his friend Emma,
What is a share?
Okay, imagine I started a burger business and I need money to grow it. Maybe I want a bigger kitchen, more workers, or even a second location, but I don't have enough money by myself.
So what do you do then?
Instead of taking a loan, I divide my company into small pieces. Those pieces are called shares. Then I sell those shares or the part of the business to people.
Wait, so if I buy one share, what will I actually get?
You now own a small part of my business.
So I'd technically be one of the owners of your company.
Exactly. And if the company grows, your share can become more valuable. But on the other hand, if my company struggles, your share can lose value too.
Oh, okay. I think I'm starting to get it now.
Here's an easy example. Let's say my burger company is worth $100, and I divide it into 100 shares. That means each share is worth $1.
So if I buy 10 shares, I own 10% of the company.
Exactly.
So buying shares is basically buying ownership of the company.
Yep.
But why do people even buy shares in the first place?
Because companies can grow over time. Imagine my burger business becomes super popular. More customers, more profit, more restaurant branches opening everywhere. Now the company might be worth $1,000 instead of just 100.
Which means the shares become more valuable too.
Exactly. The shares you bought for $1 each could now be worth $10 each.
So that's how investors make money.
That's one of the main ways, but there are others as well.
What are those other ways?
Some companies also share part of their profits with shareholders.
And what's that called?
It's called a dividend.
So shareholders can make money in two ways? The share price goes up, or the company pays dividends.
Exactly.
Okay, but from where do people actually buy shares?
From the stock market or stock exchange.
What's that?
Think of it like a giant online marketplace. People buy and sell shares there every single day.
Like buying and selling products online?
Pretty much. Big companies like Apple, Tesla, and Amazon, and many other big companies all have shares which people can buy.
So when people say they invested in a company, it usually means that they bought shares of it.
Exactly.
Okay, thanks, Emma. I finally get it now. A share is just a small piece of ownership in a company.
And that's why millions of people invest in shares every day. Because when you buy a share, you're not just buying a number on a screen. You're buying a small piece of a business. And sometimes that tiny piece can grow into something huge.
I hope you found this video informative. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more stock market knowledge. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.